Hi, I'm Dr. Chris Ho. Let me quickly introduce myself if you're new to my channel. I'm a keen language teacher passionate about helping you learn practical English, whether you're aiming for IELTS, work, travel, or just everyday conversation. And all English lessons will be clearly subtitled. Today's mini class is all about English secret vowel. The schwa sound, the schwa vowel, and how it ties into word stress and rhythm. You'll hear plenty of examples here, practice sentences, and easy drills to train your ear and tongue. If you find this useful, please click like and subscribe, and your support keeps this young, small channel growing. And because I'm still a small channel, I can respond to every comment and even create special lessons on request. In fact, the videos entitled Work Business English and Tourism English, these series came straight from loyal viewers' suggestions. My method focuses on listening as the main strategy. So please try to tune your ears before leaning on text or subtitles. Let's get going. So what is this strange vowel? What is schwa? What is the schwa sound? It has its own symbol, but it's not written in the text. So you have to listen for it. And why it matters? Because it's actually the most common vowel in spoken English. It's hidden, it's secret. But I'll explain that to you. It's so common because it carries no stress. And whilst full vowels stay in stressed sounds, everything else can be shrunk to the schwa sound. The stress sound in a word keeps the word clear, and that vowel is a clear vowel. The vowels before or after that stress is often weak, no matter how they are spelled. So whether they are A, E, I, O, U, they are weak, and that's the schwa sound. So the schwa vowel can occur in every vowel. So now we look at two everyday words per letter. A common word, about. Can you tell me about your day? Banana. I ate a banana for breakfast. I ate a banana for breakfast. Okay, E. Garden. She planted roses in her garden. In her garden. He bought a new camera yesterday. Camera. I. Hospital. He visited his friend in the hospital. May I borrow your pencil? May I borrow your pencil? Wait a second. Wait a second, please. My favorite color is blue. It's not orange. Wait a second. Second. And color. Color. My favorite color is blue. That's why I'm wearing blue. Okay. Support. Support. Can you support my idea in a meeting? Can you support my channel by clicking the like and the subscribe button? Support. Circular. Round. No. That's a circular room. It's a round room. And then you have also got the letter Y. And that can be also a schwa sound. For example, her analysis of the data was clear. Analysis, analysis, analysis. syringe, syringe. The medicine came in a syringe container. Now I'll go on to the next feature of the schwa sound. So the stress and schwa rhythm. Paper, paper. So the first vowel, pay, is the stressed vowel. And the second vowel, p, is the unstressed vowel. So that's the schwa sound. So the vowel is E, but it's pronounced as a schwa sound. So an unstressed sound. Paper, paper. Photography, photography. So the first syllable is soft, unstressed. F, f, f. Tor is strong, and then the third gr is soft. Photography. So you can see that there's a rhythm in the word, and there's a stress sound or syllable in the word. Photography, photography. Paper, paper. So speak along, mimic, shadow. Photography, photography. And then the other one we heard earlier was hospital. Hos is a stress word with the O, and then p, p, pittle, pittle. The I in hospital is the unstressed syllable, and so is the A at the end. So you have hospital, hospital. Notice that these unstressed bits turn into a quick schwa sound, a very quick, soft sound. So you have the full vowel, and then you have the half vowel, the unstressed vowel, if you like. Okay, so let's learn and practice a few words so that you get used to the feeling, to the rhythm, to the stress sound, and to the schwa sound all together. Banana, banana. So you can hear that the second sound is stressed, na. So the banana has three A's. So the second A is the stressed A. The first and the third are schwa A, schwa sounds. Banana, banana. So when you say it quickly, it's banana. Okay, another common word that you always come across is tomorrow. So again, the first O is unstressed, so it's schwa O, tomorrow. So you can actually say it as a slight E, a soft E, although the correct spelling is with an O. Tomorrow, tomorrow, but soft, tomorrow. So when you say it quickly, you might not be able to distinguish between the two tomorrow because it's tomorrow, tomorrow. But if you listen carefully, you can hear it's a t, not a tu. So tomorrow I will go to work. To work, to work. So t in the to work, to work. The t there is also a schwa o, to work, soft. I can tomorrow, 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 tomorrow. I will go to work. Every second, every seconds, every day. So the first E is unstressed. So it's every, every, every. So it's a air, a soft air. We'll wrap it up here. Thanks for spending time on today's lesson, the schwa lesson. I hope and I'm sure if you practice it, it will make your English sound smoother and more natural. If you enjoyed it, please tap like and subscribe. It really makes a difference for this small channel, and it definitely motivates me to keep supporting you. Don't forget, I offer both bilingual English Chinese videos, but most of my videos are fully English with subtitles for everyone. Most of all, I love to hear from you, to hear your questions, to for you to give me topic requests which will guide every new video. Since this channel is still young, I can reply to each comment and even film a special lesson just for you. Stay curious, keep listening, and not over relying on subtitles. That is the main thing. It is not an easy task because we are all used to reading text. And let me know what you'd like to see next. Whether it's another pronunciation deep dive, business English tips, travel English hacks, I'll be delighted to make it. See you in the next lesson.